Thinking about buying a high-speed 3D printer, but not sure which one is right for you? With so many options available, choosing the perfect model can be challenging. Some users prioritize blazing fast print speeds, others focus on precision, multicolor printing, or advanced features like CoreXY design and auto bed leveling. In today's video, I've researched and compared customer reviews, ratings, and real-world features to bring you the top 5 best high-speed 3D printers, including the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo, Anycubic Kobra 4 Combo, and Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, designer, or professional maker, this guide will help you find the best 3D printer for your needs. Don't skip ahead. Watch until the end to discover which 3D printer deserves the #1 spot. Let's get started. Item number 5. Flashforge 85X is a powerful high-speed 3D printer built for creators who want fast, reliable, and colorful results. With multicolor printing, an intelligent filament system, and one-click auto leveling, it delivers smooth, hassle-free performance from the start. Its impressive 600 millimeters per second maximum working speed, 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, and 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume make it ideal for detailed prototypes, functional parts, and creative projects. Wi-Fi connectivity lets you monitor and control prints remotely, while support for multiple filament types offers outstanding versatility. If you want speed, precision, and convenience in one machine, the Flashforge 85X is an excellent choice. Item number 4. Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a high-speed 3D printer designed for fast, accurate, and hassle-free printing. Featuring full auto leveling, a direct extruder, and a flexible PEI build plate, it delivers consistent first layers and effortless print removal. With a maximum working speed of 600 millimeters per second, power loss recovery, and support for multiple nozzle sizes and filament types, it's perfect for prototypes, functional parts, and creative projects. Wi-Fi connectivity allows convenient remote control, while its reliable performance makes it an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals seeking speed, precision, and outstanding print quality. Item number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is a premium high-speed 3D printer, built for creators who demand speed, precision, and vibrant multicolor printing. Its CoreXY structure delivers exceptional stability, while blazing fast 600 millimeter per second printing and 20,000 millimeter per second squared acceleration produce professional quality results in less time. The ACE Pro system supports 4-color printing, expandable to 8 colors, while actively drying filament during printing for consistent performance. With auto leveling, a 320 degrees C full metal hot end, Wi-Fi app control, ultra-quiet operation, and support for a wide range of materials, the Kobra S1 Combo is an outstanding choice for beginners and professionals alike. Item number 2. Anycubic Kobra 4 Combo is a powerful FDM 3D printer designed for creators who want speed, precision, and vibrant multicolor printing. With an impressive 600 millimeters per second maximum printing speed, ACE 2 Pro support enables 4-color printing, expandable up to 8 colors, while keeping filaments dry for more reliable results. Auto leveling, Wi-Fi app control, and a spacious 260 by 260 by 260 millimeter build volume make printing effortless for beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're creating prototypes, artistic models, or functional parts, the Anycubic Kobra 4 Combo delivers outstanding performance, consistent quality, and exceptional value in one advanced machine. Item number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is the ultimate high-performance 3D printer for creators who demand speed, precision, and stunning multicolor results. Its advanced CoreXY structure and blazing fast 600 millimeter per second printing speed delivers smooth, highly accurate prints in a fraction of the time. The ACE Pro system supports 4-color printing, expandable to 8 colors, while drying filament during printing for consistent quality. With auto leveling, Wi-Fi app control, plus or minus 0.1 millimeter precision, and support for multiple filament types, the Kobra S1 Combo is a perfect choice for professionals, hobbyists, and anyone ready to take 3D printing to the next level.